Yeah. When you guys see, if you look at anything, you need to identify what it is, what it's doing, and what could possibly happen. What do you guys think could possibly happen on an Apple double top or a full cup?
Put.
Why?
Russ.
Why?
Rip down, Bubba.
Put.
Why? Why a put?
You're hitting the upper resistance and it's not breaking and holding.
There it is. Resistance. What do we buy on resistance?
Put.
But
Now look
My
at it.
bad.
Everybody, look at what it did. Because now,
Isn't Tesla doing the same thing?
so guess what this, yeah, no. So guess what this would be called, everybody? This is a cup and handle.
Handle it, baby.
Because it
Right.
always, listen, it always and forever wants to pull on this exact move, always and forever. Every
Roach.
anticipates it. This is a scalper's paradise, double top pull back. Learn it. If, oh my God, if all you heard today was that one. Here's the other thing, right? When Johnny asked me about that, Johnny could have got FOMO, chased this to the upside, but Apple's running. Look how long it's been running. Yeah. And you know what I see, right? When Bruno called it out to me, Tesla's popping, double top. That's what I see as a professional trader. And now watch the 200 for a bounce. You see the 200 MA? That's the other range you got to be careful of, because guess what? The 200 in outer space becomes support. Back to my training. What do we buy on support?
calls.
Oh,
Thank you. So what could possibly happen on the 200? Bounce.
Different calls.
Mount.
And where would our stop be? Just below
Right
it.
below it.
Hello.
Thank you. And if it breaks through, what are we going to do? My God.
Put.
And where would our stop be?
how about that?
VWAP.
Thank you. And guess what? You all just got paid on a call right there. Boom, move your stop up. Thank you. Merry Christmas. I'm out of here. Mic drop. So we went up to the top. Boom, full cup. It always wants to pull back. There's your put. I told you before it got here. Watch the bounce off the 200. You guys scooped up calls back to the upside. Now you're heading back up to resistance. Look at this trade. It should have been perfectly executed. Move your stop. Does everybody like that? Huh? Are you not entertained? And here you go. Here we go. Now, again, we're back up to the top of resistance, right? This is where if I'm in the play from down here, I shed half here. Why? I don't want to hold it into this that can pull back hard. I want to collect my profit half here. And if it continues to pull back, then I get rid of the other half, and I've guaranteed I locked in money because it wants to go down if it hits up here up to the top on resistance, right? So hopefully you guys, I mean, come on, this right here, that's $1 million lesson. Am I right? You guys can use that literally the rest of your life. If you were here today, you can use that the rest of your life. Period, point blank, for scalping. I say it every day, but I haven't really hammered it like I am today to make sure you're actually freaking paying attention this time. Look at it. Keeps touching up here. Here comes your pullback. Look at Tesla breaking below VWAP. What should you possibly be in right now on Tesla?
Put.
Thank you. All you got to do is listen. All you got to do is listen.